In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Now, in order to see who watched it or rewatched your stories on Snapchat, you need to have the Snapchat Plus. So to get the Snapchat Plus, you simply need to tap on the settings icon on the top right. And from there, if you scroll down a bit, you'll have an option of Snapchat Plus above the password option. You can tap on it and tap on subscribe. And if you swipe through these features, you can see there is an option of story rewatch. Now you can tap on subscribe and then get the feature of Snapchat Plus. That's the only way that you can see who rewatched your stories on Snapchat. So if you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below what kind of video should we create next. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.